Assalamu alaikum, students of class 4. Welcome to the 17th video lecture of class 4 maths. If you open your books to page number 14, we have to solve these blanks in true, false, or MCQs if we got time. So the first one here, it says in 3256 multiplies 928, 3256 is called the multiplicand. Because there are two values, the one is multiplier and the other one is multiplicand. So this value here is multiplicand. The quantity by which the multiplicand is to be multiplied is known as multiplier. If we take this quantity as an example, this one is multiplicand, and the number which multiplies it is called multiplier. The number which divides a dividend is called a divisor. Now for division we have four different values here. The first one is dividend, divisor, quotient, and then remainder. So the divisor, and if we divide this value 18,400 on 100, then both the zeros will be you can divide 18,400 on 100 and the answer will be 184. If the dividend is 384 and the divisor is 12, then the remainder is dash 0, because 12 divides this value completely without leaving any remainder. State whether the following statement is true or false. When 1845 is divided by 6, the remainder is 0. That's false, because 6 can't divide this value completely. In 429 divides 8, the number 429 is divided. That's true. That if we divide 3696 by 12, the quotient is 308. That's true. If you divide both this value, you will get the quotient of 308. The product of two numbers is 274,800. If one of the numbers is 100, the other number will be 27,480. That's false too. If we multiply 1008 by 35, is the answer will be 350,000. 100,000, 350,000, 280. That's false, because the answer we get will be a little different. And Allah Hafiz for now. Until next video lecture.